Welcome you guys to the 412 Homestead. I'm Susie, and today we're going to make something that I have never had before. Now, a little 10-year-old boy told me this was his favorite Thanksgiving dessert, and I'm going to try it. Today we're making a water pie. Now, this recipe that I'm going to make, it was out of necessity. Back during the Depression when, people had no money, there were soup lines, and people were hungry, but they still come up with a recipe for a dessert. So the other name for this is hard times pie. Then it evolved into a Sprite pie. The water that I'm getting ready to pour into this, you can substitute a can of Sprite, but today we're just doing the water pie. So I'm fixing to blow your mind. So what you need is a pie shell. This is a 9-inch deep dish pie shell. Now, I'm sure back in the day they couldn't run to the store and buy them a pie shell already pre-made, but that's what I'm using today for convenience. So I'm fixing to blow your mind, you guys, right here. We're going to start out with just 1.5 cups of tap water. So we're just going to pour in our 1.5 cups of tap water. And then the next thing that we're going to do is I've got a cup of sugar and 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And we're just going to sprinkle that right into the pie shell. I'm just trying to distribute it evenly. That's the way all the videos I've seen have done it. And you probably want to put this pie on a cookie sheet like I have done. You'll need to have your oven preheated to 400 degrees. We're going to start out at 400 degrees. Then after 30 minutes, we're going to reduce that down to 375. But you could dump this in, but I'm just trying to sprinkle it so that I know I get it all over the bottom of the pie. So once we get that all in there, we've got to have some vanilla, and we also have to have some butter. That's the only ingredients you've got to have: a pie shell, some tap water, flour, sugar, butter, vanilla. All right, I think we're good there. Now you're going to need 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You don't mix this up, don't stir it. You're just going to kind of just spread this all around in your pie shell. 2 teaspoons. Just make sure you kind of get it distributed evenly as best you can. And then we're going to need 5 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm using unsalted butter, so we're going to cut these in 5 little 1 tablespoon pads, and we're just going to lay them on top of our pie. So I'm just going to drop them in just like that. You can move them around if they tend to want to float, just as long as they're not laying on top of each other. You want to kind of get them spread out so that when they bake, it'll distribute evenly. So we're just going to move them around, and it's ready to go in the oven, you all. That's all there is to it. So we're going to put it in our oven, like I said, for 400 degrees. We're going to cook that for 30 minutes. Now you want to watch this rim of your pie. I don't have those little metal shields, but you can put tin foil around it if you see that it's going to burn, because it has got to cook about an hour. So let's get it in the oven. All right, you all, this is what our water pie turned out like. When I took it out of the oven, We let it cool just a little bit, and then we put it in the refrigerator. So it's had time to set up in the refrigerator. I'm gonna cut it and we're gonna try this. So it's pretty cold. We'll see how set up it got. Hopefully I can get it out of the pan. But you guys, this is just a recipe that we thought we would try. Y'all, I'm thinking this pie is going to be a hit. I was wrestling with it a little bit, trying to get it out of the pie pan, but it's set up. So let's try a piece of it. This is a success, you all. This is a good pie. I see now why that little 10-year-old boy told me this was his favorite dessert, because I'm going to encourage you guys to try the water pie. I'm totally amazed. I think my next one I'm going to try is going to be the Sprite pie. You substitute a can of Sprite for the water that I give you in the recipe. So I'm going to encourage you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think this is a success. The water pie, depression pie, hard times pie, give it a try. Right here, we thank you for being with us at the 412 Homestead. Till we see you guys again, God bless.